Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee V60. First, gather your essential equipment: a V60 dripper, a coffee server, a precise scale, and fresh, high-quality coffee beans. Next, heat your water to exactly 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for proper extraction. Finally, grind 20 grams of your chosen coffee beans to a medium-fine consistency, similar to table salt. This preparation sets the stage for an exceptional brew. Now, place your paper filter into the V60 dripper and rinse it thoroughly with hot water. This removes any papery taste and preheats the dripper. Discard the rinse water, then add your 20 grams of ground coffee, gently shaking to create a flat bed. Next, pour 40 grams of hot water evenly over the grounds, ensuring full saturation. This bloom allows the coffee to degas, enhancing flavor extraction. After the 30-second bloom, begin your main pour. Start in the center and move outwards in a slow, controlled circular motion, avoiding the filter walls. Gradually add water, aiming for a total of 300 grams. Maintain a steady flow to ensure even extraction. Your goal is to complete this entire pouring process within 2 minutes and 30 seconds for a perfectly balanced cup. Once all the water has dripped through, carefully remove the V60 dripper from your server. Give the coffee a gentle swirl to ensure all the flavors are well integrated. Now, pour your freshly brewed V60 coffee into your favorite mug and savor the rich, nuanced flavors you've created. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.